government has also refused to accept when it comes to its own complicity in poisoning that has taken place in the water there that is being consumed by several families living in Bhagirathpura. It was in 2026, it seems that the elected governments are not accountable to the people. The government that consumed Bisleri clear water, high-priced bottles, but citizens there are left to consume sewage water. Now, the pictures that are now coming in is worth the 1,000 words that we speak of. The Chief Minister, along with Urban Development Minister Kailash Vijayvargiya, chairing a meeting on Indore's Kala Pani with bottled mineral water to sip on. There you can see we've highlighted that. So brazen, and is this act that even that BJP's own are calling them out. Uma Bharti, a former Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh, has reacted to this picture and says that how can the government claim helplessness when they say Bisleri water? If you are helpless, then you should better leave that post. For a sin like you either need to repent or you should be punished. Now, this is the backlash that is now coming in because of the Madhya Pradesh government led by Mohan Yadav has broken all records of downplaying the magnitude of the tragedy that has hit Indore. As far as when it comes to the people is concerned, because there is a matter on how many people have died that still remains unclear. We don't know the exact figures. Because the government says something, what's being projected in the court is something completely different. Their own ward councillor is contradicting them on the record. Let's listen in.
एक्सेप्ट कर रहा हूँ कि हमारे क्षेत्र के 16 लोगों की 8 दिन के अंदर में डेथ हुई है। तो मेरा ये कहना है कि जो लोग जिस समय घटनाएं हो रही थी वो लोग अपने अपने स्तर पे कोई मोहल्ले के क्लिनिक में गया, उसने डॉक्टर के पास गया, दवाई ले ली और 4 घंटे में डेथ हो गई इसकी। तो उसका रिकॉर्ड नहीं है उसके ऊपर, इसमें सिस्टम पर रिकॉर्ड नहीं है कि स्वास्थ्य विभाग में रिकॉर्ड नहीं है। इसलिए उनके पास जो लोग आए थे, हॉस्पिटल में भर्ती हुए थे, वो लोग डेथ हो गई, उन लोगों को उन्होंने रिकॉर्ड पे ले लिया। हमारे मंत्री जी और महापौर जी और सारे नेता लगे हैं कि उनके नाम जुड़ना चाहिए और 2 नाम कल जुड़वाए हमने।
Well, this is a tragedy there. The Mahapap that Uma Bharti seems to be calling out and saying that there is a time for atonement and for apology as well. But will the heads roll? Will there be accountability fixed, or will there, when it comes to standard responses that come in from the administration, because that seems to be exactly what is happening. कि कार्रवाई की जाएगी, people who are responsible, उनके खिलाफ action लिया जाएगा, but where does the accountability lie? Where does the buck stop? It is still unclear. So the councillor from the BJP says 16 people dead, but the government tells the court only 4 people have died after consuming that contaminated water. Now, in between, the Urban Development Minister and the Mayor are now cooking up their own numbers. But this is how downplaying is not working out, because unlike the government, the media knows how to do the job. Our reporters are there on ground and exposing when it comes to exactly what is happening on ground, the rot that runs deep of corruption and how the people of Indore, especially of Bhagirathpura, have been poisoned. Now, we have proof on how the Indore municipality knew of the slow poisoning, but sat on it for over 400 days. This is on record. On the 12th of November 2024, the proposal to change the Bhagirathpura pipeline was accepted because it was clear that there were leakages. Now, for the next 400 days, over a year, the Babus and the Mantris sat on the file and the people kept falling in. Now, in the man, as far as the DM here is concerned, we've confronted him. And he seems to be rather admitting that, yes, there are discrepancies. He's now come out with an death toll number, which he says that 6 people have died. Now, is this the official death toll number? Because we are getting, as I said, contradictory numbers on the number of casualties that have now been reported by the people there on ground, which still over 200 of them are still hospitalized and are receiving treatment.
डेथ को लेकर जो सबसे पहला इशू आ रहा है कि 4 बोली जा रही है ऑफिशियली म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन में। यहाँ के एमएलए बोल चुके हैं कि 8 लोगों को इस गिरे से दे चुके हैं, काउंसलर बोल रहा है कि 16 लोगों की डेथ हो चुकी है। तो जस्ट प्लीज टेल अस व्हाट इज द प्रोसेस, क्योंकि लोग समझ नहीं पा रहे हैं किसको एक्सक्रेशन मिलना है, किसको नहीं मिलना है। सर
नहीं, देखिए, जो डेथ्स हुई है बहुत दुखद है, और ऑफिशियल काउंट जो मेडिकल टीम जो होती है, हमारे डॉक्टर्स की टीम होती है जिसकी पुष्टि करती है, केवल उनको ही हम लोग अपने ऑफिशियल उसमें लेते हैं। लेकिन चूंकि इस तरह की विसंगतियां आ रही थी निरंतर, तो इसके लिए मेडिकल कॉलेज के सीनियर डॉक्टर्स का पैनल बनाया गया है, जो कि जितनी भी अभी डेथ रिपोर्ट हो रही है उनको वो एनालाइज करेंगे और क्या वो डायरेक्ट रिलेटेड या इससे रिलेटेड डेथ है कि नहीं, इसको चेक करेंगे। और उसके बाद हम लोग अगर वो ऐसा